Are you tired of battling eczema flare-ups and searching for a natural solution that actually works? Join us as we dive into the world of black currant seed oil, a game-changer for eczema sufferers seeking relief and healthier skin. Welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you've probably tried countless remedies in the quest for calm, itch-free skin. But fear not, because today, we're exploring an exciting contender in the battle against eczema, black currant seed oil. From its ancient roots to modern-day recognition, this powerhouse oil is gaining traction as a natural remedy with remarkable potential. So, grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's uncover the secrets of black currant seed oil and its transformative effects on eczema-prone skin. Also known as atopic dermatitis, is a chronic skin condition characterized by inflammation, itching, and redness. It often presents as patches of dry, scaly skin that may become cracked or leathery over time. The symptoms of eczema can vary from person to person and may range from mild to severe. Common signs include intense itching, red or brownish-gray patches, small raised bumps that may leak fluid when scratched, and thickened, cracked, or scaly skin. The impact of eczema on individuals' quality of life can be significant and far-reaching. Beyond the physical discomfort of itching, pain, and inflammation, eczema can have profound effects on mental and emotional well-being. Constant itching and visible skin lesions can lead to feelings of embarrassment, self-consciousness, and social isolation. Many individuals with eczema report experiencing anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem as a result of their condition. Sleep disturbances are also common, as itching tends to worsen at night, leading to disrupted sleep patterns and fatigue during the day. Additionally, the need to constantly manage eczema symptoms can be time-consuming, costly, and frustrating, impacting daily activities, work productivity, and overall quality of life. Living with eczema presents numerous challenges for individuals affected by this chronic skin condition. From the constant battle against itching and discomfort to the emotional toll of visible skin lesions, eczema can significantly impact daily life. Finding effective treatments that provide long-term relief can be challenging, as conventional therapies may offer only temporary solutions or come with unwanted side effects. Moreover, navigating triggers and flare-ups requires careful attention to factors such as allergens, weather changes, stress, and skincare products. The unpredictable nature of eczema can make it difficult to manage and may lead to frustration and feelings of helplessness. Despite these challenges, individuals with eczema demonstrate resilience and determination in their quest for relief and improved quality of life. Black currant seed oil is derived from the seeds of the black currant plant, a small, tart berry native to Europe and Asia. The oil is extracted through a cold pressing process, which helps retain its valuable nutrients and compounds. Rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, black currant seed oil is prized for its nourishing and healing properties, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products and dietary supplements. One of the standout features of black currant seed oil is its impressive nutritional profile. It is particularly high in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory properties. GLA plays a crucial role in modulating inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema, where inflammation contributes to symptoms such as itching and redness. Additionally, black currant seed oil contains other essential fatty acids, including linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid, which help maintain the skin's barrier function and hydration levels. These fatty acids work synergistically to promote healthy skin and combat dryness and irritation associated with eczema. Furthermore, black currant seed oil is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, which help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors, promoting overall skin health and resilience. While black currant seed oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties, its modern recognition as a skincare ingredient and dietary supplement has grown significantly in recent years. Historical accounts suggest that ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Romans, valued black currants for their medicinal benefits, using them to treat a variety of ailments, including skin conditions. In more recent times, scientific research has shed light on the potential health benefits of black currant seed oil, particularly for skin health and inflammatory conditions like eczema. Today, black currant seed oil is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and moisturizing properties, making it a sought-after remedy for eczema and other skin concerns. Its versatility and effectiveness have earned it a permanent place in the skincare routines of many individuals seeking natural solutions for healthier, happier skin. If you're wanting to learn more about natural remedies to help everyday issues, check this video out.